What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Bonk, which has been hitting a green candle over the last week or so. Yesterday it did take a little bit of a dip, but right now it is up, and in the last 24 hours alone it is up just over 10% guys, currently trading at this value here. So what is next for Bonk? Is this the point where it's going to recover with April just around the corner? How is April looking like for Bonk? So we're going to be going through, is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it time to hold on to it before it pumps back up in value in April? And essentially covering the rest of the year. What can we expect and predict from the crypto? And is this a crypto still worth investing into in 2024? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, especially that over the last few weeks it has been pumping in value. So we will be using this as it was very useful guys, but that's for later on. So for now, let me hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we can see that over the last 10 days approximately, the crypto was trading below the SMA indicator. However, right now it has finally pumped over the SMA indicator and trading at a higher value, which is quite exciting, but let's get into that shortly. For now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday afternoon time, the crypto should essentially be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Reason for that is it has pumped up quite a bit over the last week or so. Again, it has hit red candles in between as well, so red candles isn't a bad thing guys. It's actually a good thing, because again, obviously not if it's consistent, but here and there, because if we just see green candles consistently, that is not sustainable. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, yes, I'm expecting it to take a little bit of a dip in between, trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Nothing too crazy. Do also expect green candles, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days. Now we're looking a little bit skeptical. As you guys can clearly see, the blue line is looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So according to the graph, an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Bonk over the next 7 to 8 days. So by mid to end of next week, the crypto should essentially be trading around its current price range, fluctuating at this range. However, I'm expecting an overall minimal increase in value. It should be heading over the 0.000003 cents target by end of next week. Reason being is we are going into April, and I'm expecting April to be a bullish month for the crypto market, especially with the Bitcoin halving coming up in April. We should see positive impact, and which of course involves Bonk as well. So yes, I'm expecting it to go through an increase in value at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, we are looking quite skeptical. Blue line bullish and the orange line is looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation is expected from the graph. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so let's say mid to late May 2024, you guys will not be expecting this, but I'm expecting an overall drop in value from Bonk, guys. Yes, I've said it, an overall drop in value. Reason being is it's pumped up quite a bit. It is likely to pump up a little bit higher than where it is at the moment, which would make it overvalued, meaning over the most of April, so I would say second half of April, May, June, is it likely to hit red, not consistently, but hit red candles more than green candles, making it drop all the way back down to around this price range here is what I'm expecting at the moment. However, Bonk is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis, so if there are any major updates to this, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But so far it is not looking too good for Bonk over the long term. However, if you're a short-term trader, then yes, I'm expecting an increase in value. Now, bringing on the Fibonacci scale, this is where it gets a little bit interesting. As you guys can see, we are literally at its resistance level of the blue zone. I'm expecting it to break out into the top tier level here over the coming week, trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, heading into the top tier level. Once it does that, it should essentially drop back down into the blue zone like it did previously, back into the dark green zone here, and potentially back into the green and red zone in April, May, June is what I'm expecting. But as I mentioned, I will keep you guys updated. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up over 80% in the last 24 hours, making it $371 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in value as well as trading. The reason being is the crypto has pumped up quite a bit, so we are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, which means the trading volume is going up. And especially over the week, guys, it has gained 25% in value, meaning a lot more people have been trading the crypto. And over the month it is up 92%. However, we can clearly see how volatile it's been. It's pumped up quite a bit earlier on in April and then took quite of a dip here, with Bitcoin dropping down in value as well to $62,000, which did have a negative impact on the crypto market. And right now, majority of the cryptos are slowly starting to recover, because Bitcoin has also started to recover up to $71,000 right now. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Bonk, guys. Comment down below how high or how low are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.